Moira. Say hi. Moira is our chef for today. She has her new kitchen.
Money.
Oh, wait! Why did you get my money? So she always wants me to pay her. I'm going to use because she thinks that ATMs are money.
Mommy, there's daddy.
Yeah, that's daddy. Yeah, this is daddy's ATM. Okay. She knows the concept of paying by card because here in Qatar we always pay with the card. Ay, ay. Bum bum. Okay, you dance. You dance. Bum bum. Ay, wow! Look, I can see you. Who? George? Okay, fine. I want to order. I want to order hot dog and egg. Do you have hot dog and egg? You don't have? I think you have egg. If you will just look at your tray, you have egg. Yes, behind. Yes, behind. What is this? Cabbage. I'm gonna get this one. Thank you. Got it? Okay. Wait, you have to cook first before I pay. Oh. Egg, goat. Very good. Okay, can you cook my food? Hey, chef, what are you doing? You're supposed to cook my food. Okay. Is this a payment? You must go to check the numbers on my ATM. Just swipe it here. Swipe it. Thank you.
Here,
No. You can serve it in a plate. Thank you. Thank you. Here's our hot dog. And we have. What's this? Oh, this one. It's moist egg? You call it moist egg?
No.
Hey, how's you want to order? I'm supposed to eat that. Give it to me. Okay. Thank you. I want to order juice. Wait lang, Martha. Diyan, dito ako. Open it hard. Okay. Where's my juice? Here. Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
I want to have fish. I want to order fish.
Ay,
Yes.
ano yan? Mugs.
Box.
And then that one,
Cook.
pot.
Pot.
And then that one,
Cook.
pot.
Pot.
That one, pen.
Pen.
Ay, walk. Walk pala yan. Walk.
Walk.
Okay. How about that one? Wow! What food? Ano yan? Why do you have a toy? A stuffed toy?
He's mine.
He's yours?
Yeah.
What's the name of your baby?
It's white.
White?
It's mine. This is red. It's mine. Happy.
Jollibee is also yours?
Mine.
It's apple? No, this is capsicum.
It's mine.
I know, it's all yours.
There's the green. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Okay. What else? What else do you have? Do you have eggplant?
It's mine. Apple.
Ay, thank you. What else? Fish. Where's your fish?
Mine is the fish.
Okay, what else? Do you have cake? Show them the cake. She puts it up there.
It's mine cake.
Cake. How many slices do you have in a cake?
It's
How many slices?
white. It's white.
No, how many slices? One. You count. How many?
1, 2, 3, 6.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next. What else do we have there?
One
Egg.
One egg. Coke.
Okay, fries. Do you have fries?
One rice, one fries.
Okay. How about hamburger? Do you have hamburger?
One burger, one IKEA.
Ice cream? How about get it? Show it to the camera.
This one, I don't know.
Lemon.
This one, I know. Oh,
Okay, what else do you have in the red basket? What else do you have in the...
it's mine.
I know it's yours. I'm not going to get it from you. Where are these? What's this?
Red.
Bread.
It's mine.
What else? Eggplant.
Apple.
Pineapple. Say pine.
Cheese.
Cheese? Where's the cheese? Where's your cheese? Where's your cheese? What's this? Hot dog. It's sausage.
It's mine. Mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Mga bata ngayon, puro it's mine. Okay, put it inside. Yan. You always keep it tight. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that?
It's a Coke.
Hot dog? Hot dog sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, your kitchen is so clean.
Oh, it's Coke.
Very good.
Oh, Santa.
Lana,
It's off.
it's off. Turn it on. Wow.
Oh, on.
Is it hot?
Let's check.
Oh no, it's hot. Need more.
Cake.
You ate cake?
No, more cake.
Moy wants cake.
Yummy.
You want money? Where's my money? Here.
He's cute. Mommy. Oh. Stop.
Stop. Hindi, stop.
Uh-oh, stop. I did. I want.
You're the one deciding for me. Can I decide for myself?
I go.
I want eggplant.
No, not cook.
I want eggplant. Why are you dictating what I want to
No, I
eat?
Here.
Yay!
Mommy. Ew. It's hot.
It's hot. It's so cold.
No, it's dark.
It's not dark. They're still light.
Mommy, dark.
Tired. Feel dark,
Oh,
tired.
you're cook.
Sarap. Na-miss namin ng banana cue from Philippines.
What's this?
That one.
Oh, it's
Banana.
yummy.
Banana cue.
Banana here.
Yes.
Eat, please. Please, mommy, please.
Okay.
Hey, eat.
let's eat.
Yummy.
Let's eat banana cue.
Eat banana cue. Hot. Mommy's hot. Hey, you're mine. Hi, eat the banana cue.
Very good.
Hot, hot. Yummy. Hot.
It's not hot anymore. Put in your mouth.
No.
Open your mouth. Banana cue. Banana cue. And that is how we spend our weekend. Sleeping. Already sleeping. Bye.